In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add shading to text or paragraphs in your document, giving your work that extra touch of style and emphasis. Whether you're working on a report, an invitation, or any document that requires a bit of flair, shading can help your text stand out and improve the overall presentation. To get started, you first need to select the particular text or paragraph that you want to shade. This can be as small as a single word or as extensive as an entire section of your page, depending on your needs. Once you've highlighted your choice, we'll be heading over to the Home tab in your toolbar. This is your command center for styling texts with various effects, including our focus for today, which is shading. Within the Home tab, direct your attention to the paragraph group. For those unfamiliar, the paragraph group houses tools that affect the layout and appearance of your text blocks. Here, you'll find an icon that resembles a paint bucket. This is the shading button. Give it a click, and you'll soon see how easy it is to transform your text. After clicking the shading button, you're presented with a variety of color options. From here, you have a couple of choices. You can opt for one of the theme colors. These are a set of shades that complement the overall theme of your document, ensuring a cohesive look. Alternatively, the standard colors offer a range of versatile, basic colors that can match numerous styles. However, if these presets don't quite fit your vision, you can easily find the perfect hue by selecting More Colors, which allows you to customize and fine-tune your selection exactly to your liking. Once you've chosen your color, simply click it and watch as the background, or shading, is applied directly behind your selected text or paragraph. It's a straightforward process that instantly enhances your document, making specific information pop out to your readers and adding an element of design to otherwise plain text. Now let's address what to do when you want to remove the shading. Perhaps you've decided a change is necessary, or maybe you're aiming for a cleaner look. Whatever the reason, start by selecting the previously shaded text. Navigate back to the paragraph group on the Home tab and click on that familiar shading button once again. This time, instead of selecting a color, choose the No Color option. By doing so, the shading is effectively removed, leaving your text with its original, unshaded appearance. And there you have it. A simple, yet powerful way to use shading to elevate your documents. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your specific project. With just a little bit of practice, you'll be able to effortlessly transform your documents, giving them a polished and professional look.